Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn on and set up the call waiting feature on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and you want to select the phone app and then select the three-dotted icon in the top right corner and then select the settings button. And now underneath General, you want to select Calls. And then underneath Call Settings, select Additional Settings at the bottom. Where it says Call Waiting, during a call, notify me of incoming calls. You can toggle that on or off depending on your preference. And that's all you have to do. So if it's toggled to the right, it means it's turned on and you are good to go. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.